Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another TikTok made me buy it haul, but instead of Dollar Tree, it's going to be Target. So there's still quite a few things left on my list to buy, but like Target is obviously a lot more pricey than Dollar Tree, so I might have to wait a little bit before I do like another part 2 TikTok made me buy it from Target. But anyways, I got quite a few things, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. So please keep watching. Okay, so this first thing is kind of like half TikTok made me buy it because I have naturally curly hair. Not this, I did this with the straightener, but I usually use like mousse and stuff like that. And then I found this one video of these girls and they used gel on wet hair, and then they used one of the other things that I'm about to show you on their hair too, and their hair looked so good. They did say that they thought it would only work on people that already have somewhat of a wave or a curl, so not like if your hair is like pinned straight. But the gel that she was using, she said that she got it at the Dollar Tree, and like, you know, if I go back there, I'm not gonna just get that. So I just got like the cheapest gel I could find at Target, and then I also looked for the gel she was talking about. I think it was called Excess, and it was on Amazon for like 16 bucks, but she said that she got it at the dollar store. So I was like, okay, I'm not gonna spend $16 on something that's a buck. So to me, this was the next best thing that I could find at Target. This thing is massive. It was less than $3. So, I mean, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I guess I can just give it to my son because he'll gel his hair. But this is gonna last me a lifetime. This is from the brand Xtreme, and it's just the styling gel, Hold and Care, with aloe vera, alcohol-free, fresh smell, no residue. So, I don't think I've ever put like straight hair gel in my hair. So I'm excited to do it. I think I might do a tutorial trying this out with the other hair product that they use. So let me know if you guys would like to see that in the comments below, because if you have naturally curly hair, you know that some products work, some don't. Some products you would never think to put on curly hair and it works. So just let me know. I'll definitely do a tutorial on that TikTok because I'm like really curious. So this was the other thing that they used in that TikTok. So they used that on their damp hair, like towel dried hair. And then after they used that, I can't remember, I have to watch it again, if they waited for their hair to dry. Because there was 2 girls, so I can't remember if they said wait till your hair's dry and then use this, or they just used this right after. I have to watch it again. But this is the Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. Now, I feel like I owned this in the past and I hated it and I threw it away. I really think that it was this. I can't remember, so I guess we'll find out. Hey! So, yeah, it says same formula, new look. So I guess if I don't like it, then that sucks. But, hi! So on the back, it says spray onto wet or dry hair from mid-length to ends, scrunch hair and let air dry, or use a diffuser for extra volume. Can be sprayed onto dry hair to create style on the go. So we'll see. And then I got this. So I've tried every single purple shampoo, it seems like, even like the expensive ones, and I hate every single one of them. Honestly, the only one that I'm loving at the moment that I can honestly say I like is from the Dollar Tree. I can't remember the brand of it, but I'll put it on the screen. But it's a purple shampoo and conditioner, and it's amazing. Like, it's my favorite purple shampoo I've ever used, and I've never even seen a purple conditioner, so it's perfect. But anyways, everybody on TikTok raves about this, so I want to try this. This is the Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver hair. It says color enhancing shampoo brightens and refreshes blonde, highlighted, and silver hair. This is what it looks like, and I think it was only $10, so it's pretty affordable, and you get like a huge bottle. And I plan, as soon as these salons open back up, I plan on going like white blonde, so that will be perfect if it works. Next, I picked up this. I've also seen this on YouTube, so this is like a YouTube TikTok made me buy it. But this is from Juno & Co, and it's the Microfiber Velvet Sponge, and I just got the blue one. It says seamless results every time. So on the back it says if you're looking for a more natural airbrush foundation finish, the Juno Microfiber Velvet Sponge is your go-to. Made with velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlled stippling, the Juno Microfiber Velvet Sponge provides a buildable coverage fast. So I'm not a huge fan of the original Beauty Blender sponge. Like, I've never liked it. I've always been like a Real Techniques girl or whatever. Like, that has been like one of my favorite sponges. My other favorite sponge is from Sonia Kashuk. It's like a black and white marbled one. That's really good. The LA Girl sponge is really good, but they're all kind of the same. I've never tried a velvet one, so I'm super excited for this because a lot of people seem to really like it. And then this is a YouTube and TikTok made me buy it. This is from the brand Nature's Wick. This is a little expensive though. I guess I can't remember because normally when I buy Bath and Body Works, I always buy them on sale for like $12. I want to say this was like 15 or was it 10? I don't know. I feel like it was more than $12, but this is from Nature's Wick and it's the smoked vanilla wooden wick. So this is supposed to crackle like a fireplace or like a bonfire or whatever when you light it, and I thought that was like super cool. And it smells really good. And Winter from Bath & Body Works is my all-time favorite candle scent. If I could burn it all year round, I would. But this is the closest thing I've ever smelled that smells like that. So I cannot wait. And then plus two, if it crackles, that's like even better. But now I'll be able to burn a winter scent in my house all year long. So yeah. So this is from the brand Raw Sugar. I've never even heard of this brand. I thought I have wandered the aisles of Target enough to where I would know, I don't know, everything at this point, but I guess not. There's so many brands. Like everything I've showed you for the most part, I've never even heard of, and it's been at Target this whole time. So, but anyway, so this is Raw Sugar Moisture Loving Body Wash, and it's in the scent Watermelon and Fresh Mint. When I tell you this is the best smelling body wash I've ever smelled in my life, I'm not lying. Like this is like, seriously, it smells like watermelon candy but with like a little hint of mint, and it's gonna be like the perfect body wash for the summertime. Like I cannot wait. It smells so freaking good. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Okay, it smells how those taste. But yeah, this is a pretty big bottle and I think it was $6 or $7. It says it has cold press pure technology, free of sulfates and parabens. So they had a few different scents, but this one was my favorite out of all of them, but I'll probably try a different one after I run out of this. And then this wasn't on TikTok, but I saw it and I was like, well, I might as well just use both because I like to use body washes that are similar to either the lotion I'm going to use after I get out of the shower or like a perfume. And then I saw this, so this is also from Raw Sugar, and it's the Fresh and Light Cold Pressed Ultra Hydrating Anytime Anywhere Lotion, and it's in the scent Watermelon and Fresh Mint, so I can just use both of them for the whole summertime. And I just really like this. This was $10, so it's a little pricey for a drugstore lotion, I think. But yeah, I cannot wait to smell like this. I hope between me using the body wash and then the lotion on top that the scent will like last all day, because this really does smell amazing. So pretty much every single TikTok that I watched that had anything to do with Target was showing like their favorite like drugstore makeup from Target, and I already have probably almost all of it because the same favorites on TikTok are the same favorites on YouTube, or I've just discovered them myself. So everything in this haul is pretty much like body products, which I'm not mad at, but I just want to give you guys a heads up. So this is from the brand OGX, and this is the Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. Okay, so this definitely has a unique scent to it. It does smell like coffee. I've seen this in the store before, I just never bought it, and then I kept seeing it all over this dang app, and I was like, all right, I guess I'll get it. So it definitely smells like coffee, but it almost has like a caramely coffee scent to it. But if you want to smell like Starbucks, like you have to get this. Like, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I don't know how I'm going to feel about wearing it throughout the day. Like, I'm assuming that the scent is strong, so it's going to linger after I get out of the shower. But it smells like coffee, caramel, and butter popcorn, but in a good way. But I saw that they had a matching body cream, so I just went ahead and got this too, so that way if I don't smell like coffee, caramel, and butter popcorn right after the shower, then I can definitely seal it in with the body lotion. So hopefully it doesn't smell bad because I kind of like it. It's so weird. Like, it's such a unique scent. It is definitely not something that I would ever buy or ever think to put on my body. You know what I mean? But it smells so good. I feel like this on like a fall or winter night would be like perfect. Like, I usually wear the Fresh Cream from Philosophy every fall and every winter. Like, that's like my go-to scent for like the colder months. But I think I might, well, I'm definitely gonna try this now, but I think I might really enjoy these in the colder months too. I don't know why, because I feel like coffee even tastes better like when it's cold outside. It's weird. I have 3 things left. This is from the brand The Good Stuff. Never heard of it. Again, I guess I'm not a diehard Target fan after all. But this is from the brand The Good Stuff. Too Good to Rinse Off. Complete Repair Balm. Good for damaged hair, which I have damaged hair obviously. It says strengthening and protecting every time you use it. This fast absorbing conditioner works all day, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and ready for anything. No rinse conditioner. I've never tried a no rinse conditioner. This says to get the best from your Good Stuff, lather up with our sulfate-free shampoo first, which I think I might actually pick up before I try this out. It says skip the rinse off conditioner, which I thought was weird. Start with a quarter-sized amount, spread on your hands and work through towel-dried hair, avoiding the roots, then do your stuff, drying and styling as you wish. So I don't know how I feel about that, because some of my shampoos leave my hair still feeling soft afterwards, but then some of my other shampoos make my hair feel really dried out. So I don't know, I guess maybe I should use the matching shampoo with this. But yeah, I don't know. I've never heard of anything like this, so it's super intriguing to me. Then I saw this. This is from the brand Salon Graphics, I guess, SGX NYC, and it is a Best of Beauty Award winner from Allure. So this is the Curl Power Nourishing Curl Cream Define and Shine Weightless Hydration, Coconut Oil, and Shea Butter. Never heard of this brand. I've never tried anything from them, but this smells like really good. Like really good. And I'm all for any kind of curly hair product, especially in summertime, because it is too hot to blow dry my hair and use like hot tools. Like I would rather scrunch it and leave it naturally curly as often as possible. So I'm literally snatching up every curly hair product that I've seen on TikTok. But this says boost shine, controls frizz, softens and smooth. Thirsty curls drink up. This ultra moisturizing cream weightlessly controls hair for bouncy natural definition. Salon tested to define curls in ways for moisturizing and frizz-free style. So it says apply mid-lengths to end on towel-dried hair, scrunch to activate curls, diffuse or air dry. It says add to dry hair to enhance pure defined texture. So I'll probably try it out both ways. Usually I use a mousse to get my hair to be like super curly, but I want to see how like these creams that I've picked up from TikTok, I want to see if they still make my hair super curly like mousse does, or like maybe more wavy or less curly. Like I don't know. I'm super excited to try all this stuff. My last hair product is from Colab, I think, and it's the Dry Shampoo. I got the unicorn fragrance. Batiste does not work for me. So if you are in the same boat as me, it just dries my scalp out way too much. It like burns and itches. So I'm always trying new dry shampoos till I find one that I actually really love. So they had, I think like 3 or 4 scents of this. So I wanted to get this one. I couldn't really smell the other one, so this was like the next best thing, so that's why I got the unicorn scent. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. If this works out, I'll try the other scents. It says amazing oil absorption without white residue, so we'll see. The last thing that TikTok made me buy from Target, for now until I go back, but this is from the brand TheraBreath. It's the dentist formulated fresh breath oral rinse. Fights bad breath for 24 hours, and this is what it looks like. So I've already used half the bottle and I couldn't wait to not use it, but it says it stops morning breath, which I never feel like I've... Oh, it's Hazel.
That scared me.
Hazel! Hazel! Here, you have to say hi then if you're gonna rudely interrupt. Say hi, Haze! So I didn't want to wait to try it, so I've already tried it, and I feel like I've never had to suffer, like, okay, I have morning breath, but it's never been like really bad, I don't think. Maybe, I don't know. But anyways, so it doesn't burn or anything. Like I said, I've used half the bottle already. It does leave like a weird minty taste in your mouth, but it's almost like your mouth doesn't taste like anything, if that makes sense. It's just a slight mint. It doesn't burn. I don't think there's even alcohol in it. Yeah, no alcohol, artificial flavors or colors, non-burning. So yeah, that's true. And I feel like it really does work. I want to try the other one that Jaclyn Hill was talking about. I think it's called Smart Mouth. I want to try that one next after this, but this is good. Like I would continue to buy it. So it's everything from my TikTok made me buy it Target haul. As always, let me know if you guys have tried out any of these products in the comments below. Definitely keep a lookout for another TikTok made me buy it Target haul in the future, because it's going to happen. But anyways, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye.